So hello guys, in today's video we are going to understand and find out the traffic from GEO engines and specifically from platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini and Perplexity, right? So first we go to reports, then inside our life cycle we go to acquisitions, and then in acquisitions we will select traffic acquisitions. A separate section will pop up and you will see a trend. So for me, I just wanted to see traffic for last 20 days, which I have selected. You can also select whatever duration you wanted the traffic for. Then I will just go to, you will see session default channel group and discover. I wanted to only check for ChatGPT, so this is a source. I will just select session source and then I will type ChatGPT. So if you see, and pressing enter, so I will get the traffic from ChatGPT and ChatGPT comments, and then the traffic trends around ChatGPT. Similar to this, if I want to check the traffic for Gemini, I can do the same for Gemini, and then if I press enter, I will see the traffic coming from Gemini and then the traffic from same. Similarly, if I wanted to check the traffic for Perplexity, and just checking, okay, I believe I have made a mistake. Okay, yeah. So we are getting traffic from Perplexity, and you can see, and you can also see the trend graph. So I believe this helps you guys. Let me know if you have any queries regarding this.